pcmag editor's choice. Turn electronics off or on with your phone and the mydlink app. Control each connected device separately with 2 independent outlets. Works great with holiday lights, landscape lights, swimming pool pumps, and more. The always-on, built-in USB port can power or charge your outdoor security cameras and other devices like smartphones. With a weather resistance of IP54, the smart plug is great for outdoor use in your backyard, garden and patio. Create schedules, countdowns, one-tap routines, and automation between devices. Taiwan Excellence 2021 Award winner. Top reviews from the United States. Overall, I am happy with the product. It is well built and works as described. I had no issues connecting it to my home network and controlling it via the app. My only issue is programming schedules with the app. I can program individual schedules for each receptacle, but can only run one schedule at a time. Maybe it's operator error, but I haven't figured out how to do it yet. Other than that, I am happy with my purchase.